How to fix WhatsApp not opening problem. First, open your device settings. Now tap on apps here. Then tap on app management. Scroll down and tap on WhatsApp. Now tap on storage usage. From here, clear the cache. Go back and tap on force stop. Tap on force stop again to confirm. When you are done, go back and restart your mobile device. When your device is open, now open the WhatsApp app. See, your not opening problem is fixed. And that's it. This is how you can fix your WhatsApp not opening problem.